Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a contact shortcut and home screen in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung phone and now you want to create a shortcut to a contact, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app, just open it, then select the contact from here, and here you will get the info icon. Just tap on it and it will open contact info. You must have to select three dots in the bottom right corner. Go for add contact to home screen. Here I prefer that you have to select the third option, which is your contact info. Just select that, then tap on add, and it will add the home screen shortcut here. Now whenever you want to open the contact info, just tap on this option and it will open that. So that's how you can easily create contact shortcut in your home screen and any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.